Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding and most attractive collection of crochet baby frog designs, different color designs ideas in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection, most attractive and most amazing collection in front of you. So dear friends, please try this collection, enjoy this video, share this video. So dear friends, I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs and more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get every beautiful crochet material like this crochet baby frog designs and others like crochet baby romper designs, crochet baby scarf designs, baby poncho designs, baby circular jacket designs, baby shoes designs, baby jewelry like baby anklet designs. So dear friends, others like baby cap designs, women cap designs, men cap designs, women scarf designs, flowering scarf designs, women poncho designs, scapular designs, cap shawl designs, and circular jacket designs, women jewelry like women necklace designs, women earring designs, finger rings, bracelets also, and anklet designs, baby anklet designs, and many more things. Dear friends, you can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. You can order to get the very beautiful crochet frog designs of your choice. You can get the amazing crochet baby frog designs from your relatives who live in Pakistan. We live in Pakistan. So dear friends, always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos. Don't forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives, and also gives your feedback in the hammer section about the collection. How was the video? How was the design? So dear friends, please keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. Most beautiful and most attractive collection, most comfortable also, and also washable. So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon.